All right, we are in the last section of notes, but I'm gonna just skip all this first part. And I'm just gonna come down here to example 1. Because I am just gonna kind of go through some factoring. I've already shown you kind of how to do these, so we're just gonna practice a few more. So now on this, you have a number in front, but you do it the same way. So you have 6, and factors of 6 that add up to 5 are 2 and 3. So you're gonna take these numbers and you're gonna put them in the middle, just like we've been doing, and everything else stays the same. What can you take out of the first two? Is it 2x? That leaves you with an x plus 1. What can you take out of the back two? You can take out a 3. That leaves you with an x plus 1. Your parentheses are the same. So here are your two answers, okay? If I look at the next one, I have factors of 30 that add up to negative 17. So they're adding, so I think it's going to have to be a negative 15 and a negative 2. That goes in the middle, 5m squared minus 15m minus 2m plus 6. I can take out a 5m, that leaves with an m minus 3. And out of the back two, I can't take out a positive because I need a minus 3. So I'm going to have to take out a negative, and I get m minus 3. So my answers are 5m minus 2, the stuff in front, and the stuff inside. Okay, so you can do these problems exactly like you were doing the last ones. They just have numbers in front. So if I look at the next one, I'm doing factors of 24 that subtract to negative 5 because it's a negative 24. So negative 8 and 3, you're going to have to just go through and find them. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8. Well, there it is. And that goes in the middle. So 6y squared minus 8y plus 3y minus 4. What can I take out of the first two? Is it 2y? That leaves me with a y minus 4. That's a 3y, sorry. What can I take out of the back two? Nothing. So if you can't take anything out, you have to take out a 1. So that leaves me with a 3y minus 4 and a 2y plus 1. Okay. Last one here, you're doing factors of a negative 60 that subtract to 11. So 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15. Oh, there it is, 4 and 15. So 15 and a negative 4. So that would be 12c squared plus 15c minus 4c minus 5. So what can I take out of the front two is a 3c. That leaves me with a 4c plus 5, okay? If you look at the back two, that's a negative 4c minus 5, and I need it to be positive. So instead of taking out a 1, I'm going to take out a negative 1, and that would change your sign. So you'd have 4c plus 5 and 3c minus 1. I'm going to save the back page of these notes. If somebody needs help, we're going to do that, but I'm going to not do them right now.